Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Friends, this is while music call me music 400 music 400 and its LCD strip will break, totally damaged. So I will change this LCD new. Look at this. I will show you how to solve LCD points. This is zoom. Now I will take a soldering mechanical paste and put on the points, all points. Now clean. Now clean by clean all these points. Totally clean. Now check these points is totally clean and take a new LCD. This is LCD 2.4 inch LCD A2 version. Okay. Now I will check by finger. Now I soldered all these points of soldering and now put these points on the points LCD. Okay, and then solder. Solder all these points and now check this. I'll check this. Here I will properly solder these points. Okay, thank you so much.